Hello everyone. So today I am here to show you one craft. I am going to show you how to make origami airplane. Okay, so let's begin. So you can see here we have given you the origami papers with different colors. Okay, so to prepare the origami airplane, so you can take any color, it's up to you. So I have taken these two colors. Okay, so now we will start with this brown one. So now you have to fold this paper from the middle. You have to hold this paper like this, and then you have to fold it from the middle. Okay, and you have to press it properly. The edge you have to press it properly with the help of your nails. Okay, now you have to open it. So you can see here the line is visible. Now you have to turn this paper like this, and again you have to fold it. Again you have to fold it from the middle, and you have to press it properly. The edge you have to press it properly. So you can see here both the lines are visible, right? Both the lines are visible. Now you have to keep the paper like this, and now you have this top portion, you have to fold it in such a way that it should come in a triangle shape. So from here you have to hold it like this. You can see here the line is visible. So you have to fold it. You have to this portion. You have to press it. You have to hold this portion, and you have to fold it here. And it should be. You have to fold it in such a way that it should be in a triangle shape. So you can see here the triangle shape. Then again you have to fold it same in the opposite position. This top, this one, again you have to do it same way. Okay, now the bottom one, this one, the bottom side. The bottom side, again you have to fold it to the upward side in such a way that it should come in a triangle shape. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Now this side, the opposite side, you have to fold it, and you have to press it properly. The edge should be pressed properly. Okay, now you can see here, okay, the triangle shape. Now from here, again you have to hold this portion, and again you have to fold it like this. You have to fold it like this from the middle. Okay, and you have to press it properly. You have to press it like this with the help of your nails. And now again from the opposite side you have to fold it. Okay, and you have to press it like this. Okay, so you can see here the shape. Now you have to turn back. You have to turn back, and this portion, the upper portion, the narrow portion, you have to turn it downward like this. Okay, and again you have to turn it, and you have to fold it from the middle. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. You have to press it properly. Okay, so this you can see here, this shape is ready. Now the another one, same color. Okay, so for same, again you have to do it same You have to fold it from the middle, then you have to open it, and again you have to fold it from the middle. Open it. Okay, and then from here you have to fold it. You have to fold it in such a way that it should come in a triangle shape. Okay, then again from the opposite side. Then again from the bottom, you have to fold it from the bottom. Okay, so you can see here the 4 triangles are here. Okay, you have to press it properly. Now again from here you have to fold it. Okay, then again from the opposite side. And then you have to turn it, and then this narrow portion, the upward portion, you have to fold it to the downward side. Okay, you have to press it properly, and then again from here you have to turn it, and then you have to fold it from the middle, and you have to press it like this. Okay, so here my 2 parts are ready. So now same for these 2 colors we have to do it. Same we have to follow it for these 2 colors also. Okay, so you can see here my all units are ready. Okay, so now we are going to make a wings. We are going to make a wings for the airplane. So for that wing I have taken this color. Okay, I have taken this color. So now what you have to do, you have to open it. And then you have to take this portion, the narrow portion, okay, and you have to fold it. You have to fold it from the middle like this. You have to fold it. Okay, then again press it properly with the help of your nail. And now again from the opposite side you have to fold it from the opposite side also. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Now you have to again open it. Okay, now you have to open this fold again. You have to open it, and then you have to fold it from the middle. Okay, you have to fold it from the middle, and now you have to take up one. This is my body of my airplane. Okay, this is the body of my airplane. So now I'm going to put this wings in this. You can see here the space. You can see here the space is here. So you have to put it here like this, and then another one at the top. You can see here is a space. You have to put it here. Okay. You have to put it like this, and another one at here, the down one. So this is how. This is my wing. What is this? This is a wing. Now the next one. This is my second wing. So again you have to open it. You have to fold it properly from both the side, and then you have to press it properly. Okay, the edge you have to press it properly. Now you have to open it, and you have to fold it. And now the another side, you have to put it here. So you can see here is the space. So you have to put it like this, and another one at the top. You can see here is the space. So you have to put it the another one at the top, and here at the bottom. here my wings are ready. Now the next one. Now we are going to make a tail. So this is my tail. So for that again you have to open it. And here at the narrow portion, you can see here at the narrow portion, you have to cut it slightly. You have to cut it. Okay. So cutting should be done under the supervision of the parents only. So you have to cut it slightly. Okay. Now you have to put your, you can see here is a space. Okay, here is a space you can see here. So this portion you have to put it here inside this space. Between these two space you have to put it here, and another one here. Okay. Now the cutting part, the narrow one this side, you have to fold it. This is your tail, so you have to fold it little you have to fold it. Okay. And here the wings you have to fold it little. The narrow one, the narrow portion, you have to fold it little, slightly you have to fold it inside. Okay, slightly you have to fold it inside. Like this you have to fold it inside. Okay, so now our airplane jet is ready. So now you can decorate it, you can color it. Now I'm going to color here at the top with black color. Okay. You can color it with a black color. Even the another side you can do the same. Here also you can do the same. Or even you can do the red color on it. So you can see here I color it on the both the sides, so it's up to you. You can color with any color. Okay, so I have taken a black color. You can take red color, blue color, pink color. It's up to you. Okay, so our plane is ready. You can see here. Wow, it's looking nice. I hope you will enjoy while doing. Okay, bye, take care.